Hello and welcome to an RVS University video. I'm Joe Finlayson, and in this video we'll be going through the router or router panel. What we can do from this panel is we can essentially put a source and add it to a target. So the target can be anything in the scene at all. It could be a screen or it could be a floor, anything that you'd like to change to add an image to or a video to or even a material. So with the materials we can also have SDIs. So if you have an SDI coming into your engine, we can add this to a material in Unreal or Voyager, and this can then be pumped straight into a screen, for example. So I'll just quickly show you what we can do with this. So here we have a screen, and I've already got an image targeted to it. So we know the name of this screen is TG BAM right, and then if I grab another image, for example this one here, and I click on the screen, then we can change the image live in our virtual set. So it's kind of a really quick and powerful tool, but we're not just limited to images. We can also grab movie files and play them here. So here you can see now I've added the movie file to the screen here. I can click the play button, and now we have a video playing live here in our virtual set. So it's a very simple and powerful tool that we can use to add these things in here. So again, like I said, you can use an SDI source as well to do this, so you can bring in anything from a desk. And just to show you again, here we can simply change it this way. So we can click from the actual source, or we can click from the target, depending on how you'd like to work. So for example, if I unselect this movie here by clicking it again, and I then click on what's the target here, so our screen, we can then cycle through a bunch of images this way. So again, this just depends on your workflow and how you would like to work. So if you have a multiple amount of targets that you need to trigger, then you would probably click on the source first, and if you have a multiple amount of sources that you need to put into one target, then you would click on the target first and then just cycle through the images of what you would like to display. And again, this all links into the event panel, and I'll go through how you change that in another video. I'll also have another video of how to change the movie thumbnails, and I'll show you how we use the material sources. That was just a quick demonstration of how we can use the router or router panel as a powerful tool inside the Voyager workflow. Thank you for watching.